Is it on?
Is it?
Is it on?
I don't know. I think it's on.
Alright, day 4. That's where we're heading. Into those awesome mountains. There's a glacier right at the end, a massive, massive glacier. We're gonna go up over a pass and then kick back in to another town, which is meant to be absolutely beautiful, but should be a good day. Sun we've had in 2 days. Oh, it's licorice. Licorice again. If you like salty licorice, come and live in Iceland. I swear to God, every single chocolate bar we've had has some form of salty licorice in it. We bought like 20 of them. 20 different varieties. It's rank. What about this one near the camera? Alright, right reply, right reply.
Oh, there's no point.
What kind of size was it, about that big?
No, I didn't throw something that big in the camera.
Oh, that big.
Yeah, maybe.
Alright.
You hit the camera.
Oh, I've lost it. Check this out for one of the best houses you've ever seen. That's what he gets to wake up to every morning. Mental. And she's flat. Seriously?